What's an equilateral triangle? All the sides are the same, right? Equilateral means all of your sides are congruent. So there's two theorems that deal with equilateral triangles. They're really just converses of each other. But the one says this: if a triangle is equilateral, then it's equiangular. Do you know what equiangular means? All the angles are equal. So if it's equilateral, it's equiangular. In other words, we're saying this: if all three of the sides are congruent, then we know that all three of the angles will be congruent. Okay, so if the sides are congruent, the angles have to be congruent as well. And then the converse of that is also true, which says if a triangle is equiangular, then it's equilateral. Okay, so this would just be the converse, saying if I know all three of those angles are the same, then I also know that all three of the sides are the same as well. Okay, so equilateral is equiangular, equiangular is equilateral. That's really all you need to know for this lesson. I'm going to do two examples. One is just a refresher or a recap of yesterday, really. There's one that deals with the equilateral. But we're going to do two quick examples, and then that's it for 4-5. So this first one is like example 3, I believe. And it looks like this. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. They tell you this has a value of A, and this has a value of A, and that has a value of A. And then they give you these markings. So essentially, what are you looking at in that picture? 3 what? 3 what kind of triangles? 3 equilateral triangles. And because they're equilateral, they are also equiangular, okay? So what we're going to find here, we are going to find the measure of angle A, the measure of angle B, and the measure of angle ADC. Okay. So we're going to call angle A for now, the lowercase a, just to give it a variable to go with it. How would we find the measure of angle A? It's 180 divided by 3. Right, you have 3 A's, so A plus A plus A, or 3 times A, should equal 180 degrees. So if you just divide by 3, then you'll get A equals 60. Okay, here's the beauty of equilateral triangles. It's always 60. If you see an equilateral triangle, its angles are 60 degrees. There is no other option for an equilateral. So this angle here is 60 degrees. Okay, so the measure of angle A is 60 degrees. What is the measure of angle B? 60 degrees, right? Every single one of these in this picture is 60 degrees because they're all equilateral. So angle B is 60. So what does that mean for the measure of angle ADC? Quick refresher before we answer that question. On the next quiz, there's places where I name angles with 3 letters. Why do we name angles with 3 letters? Because there's multiple angles on that angle, okay? You don't have to, like I could have called angle B, angle CBE, and then there aren't multiple, but when I use multiple, it's usually because there's multiple angles coming from that vertex, okay? So if I'm saying what's the measure of angle ADC. I'm saying if you start at A, go through D, go to C, that angle that I'm talking about right now is this, okay? A lot of times people see problems like this and they think they need to add angle A plus angle D plus angle C, and that is just not the case, okay? When I say ADC, I'm saying my vertex is D. If I start at A and go through C, what angle would that be? So I'm talking about this angle here. How big is that angle? 120. It's two of the 60-degree angles, right? So 60 plus 60 or 120. Okay? Any questions on that? Okay, last example, and this really is just a recap from yesterday just to make sure everyone's clear what's going on. If you have this set up, this is A, B, C, and this is 36 degrees. How do you find the measure of angle A? Right, so we know because it's isosceles that those two are the same. So call them X or call them A, but whatever you call them the same thing, okay? So X plus 36 should equal 180. So you have 2X equals, take away the 36, you get 144. So then you're just gonna divide by 2, and your X will be 72 degrees. Okay? Any questions on that? Okay, that's it for 4.5b. Super short.